Okay, you are welcome in Burundi.
It's nice to be here. Thank you.
Okay, just tell us how you were prepared for this world competition that's going to be held in Burundi.
Actually, we trained the whole season together, so we played a lot of tournaments in Germany, and this here in Burundi is our final tournament this season. So it's very important to us. We trained the whole last months for this moment, and we hope that we can, give our best on the course.
Well, we are expecting to welcome 16 countries here. What are your expectations?
To get to know every country, to get to know a lot of cool, nice people, and also to represent our country in the best possible way.
Just in Germany, we always say like we play game per game and point for point. So we're not going into a tournament and tell everybody, okay, we're gonna win this. Just that we want to play point by point and game by game. Yes.
How do you appreciate the climate of Burundi?
The climate of Burundi? It's always special to be in another international country and to be here. It's interesting. Yeah.
It's a lot hotter.
We have some fans in Germany, and we want to play our best and hopefully get to the quarters, I don't know, and just play our best. That's the goal.
My name is Gierske Kamp and I play beach volleyball and I'm from Germany. Well, obviously I practiced a lot over the whole summer and now I'm ready to show it all off.
Do you have any information for team guy gonna play with?
Well, I'm playing with Nika. It's going to be a lot of fun. This year I played in the Beach Pro Tour event in Geneva, Switzerland. And last year I played in Pompano Beach, USA. And I just want to go out there, give it my all, have fun while doing so. And I want to try and win as many games as possible. Well, obviously style of playing is very different in different countries, but I always like playing against different countries to see where you're at yourself and how you compare to other countries. Well, everyone was really friendly. That was really nice. It was surprising to see how many people came out to see us arrive here. So yeah, it was good. I don't think I have too many expectations. I just want to have a lot of fun and play very good beach volleyball and get to know some really, really cool people, especially from Burundi, but also from all the other countries participating.
Thank you.
Thank you.